If you're working rib and become distracted partway through a row and are unsure whether you're on a knit or a purl stitch, pick up your knitting with the yarn coming from the right hand needle and look at the next stitch on the left hand needle. If you see a column of V's, you're on a knit stitch. Make sure that the yarn is to the back of your work and knit. If when you pick up your knitting with the yarn on the right hand side, you see a column of little bumps, you're on a purl stitch. Make sure that the yarn is brought to the front and continue.